Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Digi portal, log in and complete any two-factor step so you can access profile settings immediately. Once authenticated, navigate directly to Profile or My Account. Do not detour through other modules. Make sure your photo and signature files meet upload specs because the system rejects mismatched sizes. This saves time and prevents repeated uploads. You're now positioned to begin the actual update process without delays. So open the Edit Profile section and prepare to replace the images. You'll click Edit, then Change Photo, pick the prepared file, and use the portal's cropping tool to center your face and maintain required dimensions. Next, choose Change Signature and upload the scanned image. Higher DPI yields crisper lines once compressed, so aim for around 300 DPI. Once you see the preview, adjust brightness or recrop to keep text and strokes clear. If the signature looks faint, rescan or darken it before proceeding. These middle steps ensure the system accepts both assets cleanly. Save your changes and wait for an on-screen confirmation or an email. This confirms the system recorded the new photo and signature. Once done, refresh your profile and clear browser cache if the old images still appear, because cached files often cause display lag. If the upload fails, check the error. Most times it's file type, size, or a browser compatibility issue, so convert to JPG/PNG, compress below 2 MB, or try another browser. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.